Welcome to an exploration of the numismatic history of Central Africa. This video focuses on the Katanga Cross, also known as Handa, a copper currency central to collectors, historians, and students alike. We begin with the origins and materiality of African copper, known as the sacred metal. Copper was revered in Central Africa, not just as a commodity, but as a substance linked to divine power. The Handa currency originated in the mineral-rich Katanga region, part of the Copper Belt. For the Luba and Handa empires, the Katanga Cross became the standardized currency in the 19th and early 20th centuries, supporting long-distance trade. The metallurgical process involved local master smiths using sand casting. This technique included smelting copper ore in clay furnaces, pouring the molten copper into X-shaped trenches, and then cooling and finishing the ingots. The crosses typically weighed from 600 grams to over 1 kilogram. The Katanga Cross held significant historical purchasing power. One cross could buy 10 kilograms of flour. 5 crosses were equivalent to a large cow, and in the pre-abolition 19th century, 10 to 15 crosses might purchase a slave. Looking at the market value index, 2 crosses could purchase a hunting rifle. 5 crosses bought cattle, and a small boat or canoe was valued at 12 crosses. These values are based on 19th century trade logs. Beyond trade, the Katanga Cross had deep cultural and symbolic significance. It was a key component of bridewealth or lobola. The X shape itself represented the intersection of the living and spirit worlds and the 4 directions of the universe. Copper crosses were integral to the rituals of the afterlife. They were placed in the graves of high-ranking elders, ensuring their wealth and status accompanied them into the spirit world. The ancient trade of these crosses paved the way for modern industrial mining. The Katanga region remains a vital global source for copper and cobalt, which defines the economy of the Democratic Republic of Congo today. The geopolitics of copper highlight its significance, moving from ancient trade routes to modern mining industries. Katanga's resources continue to hold global importance. The currency's evolution began with early copper casting in the 13th century. Peak usage occurred between 1880 and 1900. In 1910, colonial administration introduced the Belgian Congo franc. In 1960, the new state of Katanga prominently placed 3 crosses on its national flag. Today, the numismatic value for an entry-level Katanga cross starts at over $150, with a standard weight of around 1 kilogram. Collectors should look for natural green malachite oxidation and sandcast textures to ensure authenticity, as reproductions are common.